hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Pam. Hope you all are good, guys. Today I am deep cleaning my apartment. It is dirty. It's been a minute. I need to clean the whole apartment, get detergent, some cleaning stuff, and also I need to reorganize my under the sink cabinet because it is a mess. I'm even embarrassed to show you guys. It's messy. Every time I'm reaching out to get something out of this cabinet, I get so pissed off. Like, I'm not liking what I see. Yeah, we're gonna go to Westpac. I'm looking for a small under sink bin. I feel like I'm missing something, but yeah. Before I leave, I'm going to show you what I'm wearing as always. I have this cute monochromatic outfit, all shade of gray, and I'm loving it. I got this bag from Pauline, based in Paris. So they normally gift me with their new collection if they, have launched a new collection. And then this was a cute bag. Normally I'll go for black. This is from H&M. I got this baby tee from Cotton On last day. It was on sale. Shorts are from Cotton On, and I have New Balance dupe. So yeah, guys, let's go to Westpac. I can't wait for my after. Before messy, but I can't wait for my after. I can't wait to see how it looks. I went to Westpac, the waterfront one, and I got a lot of stuff that I was looking for. I bought honey from Checkers. I bought this diffuser from Mr. Price Home. How cute! I said I've been wanting these brushes with this handle for the longest time, and whenever I went to the China Mall, I know my colors and my handle green, yellow. You see my study. Okay, so I was in Checkers, guys, and I saw these. I almost ordered these at Amazon. They're the only ones who had the gray I wanted. Director to Mall of Africa and Checkers, and I got it. So I'm gonna have one for my bathroom and one for my kitchen. So whenever I want to change a brush, it's removable. It's removable. Okay, you remove this, and then you are able to insert this one. Okay, so I'm gonna have one for my bathroom and one for my kitchen. There are space la ukuthi mase isiphele sponge singasagivi yabo, then you can get another one. Got this small bean from Westpac. I also bought this from Westpac. I'm gonna put vinegar, soda liquid, and also baking soda or baking powder, and then we'll spray like around my surfaces in bathroom. I also got a lint remover. I bought Invato, guys. They're so pretty. Went past Mr. Price, bought these straws with a brush of cleaner my straws for my coffee and my matcha and my smoothies. Yeah, bought this soap holder, and I bought these bowls, guys. I bought these bowls for my cereal, although I hardly ever eat cereal because it makes sense if I'm dishing something. So I bought two. I don't know why I'm buying things in twos, just in case if I have a visitor, y'all. How cute are these bowls? Love them. Always I bought this tissue. This is the one special. How cute. It was like buy one get one free thingy, so I wasn't gonna miss out on this deal, y'all. Bought this from Woolworths. How cute. It smells so good. I'm going to put this after I've wiped with this. One thing about your girl, ain't a funny bit green. I love green flavor. Cucumber, lime, lemon, aloo. I gravitate more to those smells nje when I'm buying izinto nje. Njengoba ngithathe ngidlile itolo guys, bengadlali. It wasn't one shop, it wasn't two shops, it was a lot of shops. I went past Pep Home and these were cheaper there. So I bought two. I like buying things in twos because I hate shopping for essentials now and then. So njengoba ngithenga manje izinto zama essentials, mhlawumbe ngizithenga in 6 months. Yeah. Bought this jar to put my washing powder for my laundry. Okay guys, that was it. Now we are cleaning. Now it's time for us to clean. So I'm going to first start with the things that I bought from Take a Lot. So yeah, let's do that. This is my under sink cabinet. They are paint. We're gonna fix this. I can't wait for after. To assemble these now.
person.
This is the machine, y'all. This is the machine. How cute. The guy also gave me a couple of Nespreeso pods. This is another one. Okay. Two. This one is sealed, guys. And we have the Starbucks one. Holiday edition. He only drank one. The manual for the machine. The stand. This is the stand. Milk froster. And this is the actual machine. So excited. So new. It's fresh. Where you put the milk froster. That's where we put our water. This here, I think. Yeah. Gorgeous. I'm so proud of this purchase, y'all. Your girl is blessed.
Get it bouncing, yeah. Look at her style from the street. Look at her style from the ghetto. This I will never make it big. Me, I tell them say, oh no. Look at me, I style from the street. Look at me, I style from the ghetto. This I will never make it big. Me, I tell them say, oh. Me go down my knees to the Calvary tree, me I pray. Me telling God everything me I need. Me I tell the God make they bless me still. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Cause if I no get all these people go laugh for me. All these people go use me play. Make God they bless me and my family. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Aye, aye. Nobody feel be somebody. Somebody feel be nobody. Never look down or no. Aye, aye, aye. Nobody feel be somebody. Somebody feel be nobody. Never look down or no. Me I make cash on a low, on a low. Me I wanna turn up on a low, on a low. Me I wanna get to the door. Me I wanna shine on the low, on a low. Me I wanna turn up on the low, on the low. Me I wanna shine on the low, on the low. Me I wanna get to the door, get to the door. Me I wanna turn up on the low, on the low. Damn, with my eyes don't see. Me I know feet talk on. Me I know feet and I'm yeah. Damn, with my eyes don't see. Me I know feet talk on. Me I know feet and I'm yeah. They say money na vanity upon vanity. If you know to get in a calamity, brother, this life in a spirituality. Yeah. They say money na vanity upon vanity. If you know to get in a calamity, brother, this life in a spirituality. Yeah. Aye. Nobody feel be somebody. Somebody feel be nobody. Never look down or no.
I love these pants. These are high-waisted. long pants. I love the shade neutral color. They are from Mango, however they're super big. I'm not sure if I'm going to alter them or I'm going to sell them on my Yaga shop. Corset shape top from Shein. If I'm gonna keep it, but if it doesn't, I'm going to put it on my Yaga store. Slip dress, love the color, love the quality. A long sleeve essential top. It's ruched on the side, size medium. I am now going to do a try on haul for y'all. Let's get right into it. Alright guys, first we have this slip dress. I love the color. I love the shade of gray. I love the quality. However, I did not see this. What is this, guys? How did I not notice this? It's giving granny vibes. I'm gonna make it work. It's a nice dress. As this is the top, it fits perfectly. I would have preferred super small, but yeah, it's okay. Nanka amabhuluke guys. Yo akasemakhulu mahle, but you can't really see ukuthi mahle because hayi emapo. I think 36 low. This is essential top. It's a long top. It fits me so perfectly. I can't wear this as a dress, guys. I don't think it's a dress. It's long enough because I'm a short girl, but this is definitely a top. It's definitely a top, but yeah. Love it. Keeping it for real for winter, for cold days. Nje, angayithanda the top. So yeah, guys, that was it. Thank you so much for watching. If you watched till the end, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Make sure you hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. In the meantime, subscribe, comment, and like. There's more videos and more requests that you guys have requested in the past. I'm gonna be shooting for y'all. Love you guys. Have a good one. See you on the next video. Bye.